You've heard about the Bermuda Triangle, right? That place where ships disappear, planes vanish, and even your Wi-Fi probably says, "Nope, I'm out." Today, we're diving into the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle that most people have never heard about. The deeper we go, the crazier it gets, so buckle up. The Bermuda Triangle is a massive area in the Atlantic Ocean connecting Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. From the surface, it looks like a normal ocean, calm, beautiful, innocent. But when you check the disappearance reports, you start wondering, is this the ocean or an alien internship program? Ships vanish like your salary at the end of the month. Planes disappear without leaving a single scrap of metal. And radio signals, forget it. Even the clingiest ex can't reach you here. Here's a mystery most people don't know. The Bermuda region is filled with giant underwater pits called blue holes. These things are perfectly round, unbelievably deep, and darker than your search history at 3 a.m. Divers who explored them said they felt strange swirling currents like the ocean was alive. Some scientists believe these blue holes connect to massive underwater cave systems, stretching far beyond what we can map. So if a ship gets sucked in, good luck. Even Google Maps will say, "Route not found." Now this one is wild. Pilots have reported their compasses spinning uncontrollably, like a fidget spinner that just drank 10 cups of coffee. One pilot said his plane was flying straight, yet somehow teleported miles away in a matter of seconds. Maybe his plane had a secret teleport mode that Boeing forgot to tell us about. Scientists think this is caused by magnetic anomalies, areas where Earth's magnetic field goes completely crazy. Imagine you're steering a boat west, but your compass says you're going north. And suddenly you end up at your ex's house. Terrifying. Here's one mystery that rarely gets talked about. Vertical ocean currents. These are powerful downward currents that can pull objects straight into the deep like a giant ocean vacuum cleaner. Small boats can vanish in minutes. No splash. No debris. Just poof. Gone. Some scientists say these currents form when warm and cold waters collide violently. Basically, the ocean opens a mouth and says, "Mine now." Now let's talk about the theories people rarely hear but everyone secretly loves. 1. The methane gas explosion theory. Massive methane bubbles rising from the seafloor could supposedly destroy a ship's buoyancy. Sounds scientific, but also sounds like the excuse someone gives when asked, "Why didn't you finish your chores?" Methane gas, bro. 2. The natural time warp theory. Some researchers think the Bermuda Triangle might have tiny distortions in spacetime, which could explain why planes suddenly jump to new locations. If true, this is the only place on Earth where you can enter on the 1st and exit on the 28th. Perfect for skipping bills. 3. The alien experiment theory. Yep, the internet's favorite. Some people think aliens are using Bermuda as a research zone. If that's real, maybe they're building an intergalactic Uber service. UFO arriving in 3 minutes. Please wait outside the atmosphere. So, what's the real truth behind the Bermuda Triangle? Science has explanations, but there's still a darkness, a strangeness, and a long list of things we simply can't explain. One thing is certain: if you ever travel through the Bermuda Triangle, make sure your compass is ready, your signal is strong, and be prepared to suddenly jump into the future, or worse, get added to your family group chat without permission. See you in the next mystery.